Hi everyone, it's Donna here, and sorry I'm late with my video this weekend. I had plans on Saturday, so I decided to upload this on Sunday instead. The only thing I have today are some journal kits. I've shown the naked journals in a previous video, but I'm going to go through that really quickly. But now I'm combining them with a embellishment pack. If you are interested in purchasing one of these kits, the instructions on how to order and the purchase information is down below in the description box. Let's get started. I'm just going to show you one of these. This is a kind of a naked journal, a writing journal. There's only minimal decoration in it, just some laces on the edges. It measures 5 inches by 7 inches. There's one signature, and I think there's 68 pages in here. Hold on, move this. There we go. The cover is made from a quilt piece. It was already quilted. I just did the zigzag stitch to kind of reinforce the quilt look. And the quilt was coffee dyed, grungy dyed, so you can see some of the grunginess on it. Very vintage look. All 4 of the naked journals have the same digitals and pages from the same books in them. The digitals are from Cheryl Francis Art, and I will put a link to her Etsy shop down below. I just love her artwork in her digitals. They're so dimensional. I'm just going to flip through really fast. Some of my coffee dyed paper, page from a humorous almanac from the 1800s, some accounting paper, page from a poetry book, page from a reader from the 1920s, I believe. Pocket there that you can close if you like. Page from a French book. Just some laces on some of the pages. Page from a German book with the Gothic font. Page from a ledger that I have from the early 1900s. Page from a French book from the 1700s with the rag paper. Another of Cheryl Francis Art digitals. In the center there's lace pocket, and I just tied the strings. You can untie them and put buttons or pearls or anything you want on, charms, anything you want on there. And then the back side of all of those pages, more lace. This page folds out. All of the reader pages have one illustration on them somewhere. So lots of places to decorate or to write. And it's just held closed with some sari silk. So you can change the enclosure if you want. So that's the journal part, and each journal will come with an embellishment pack. In it is a little folio that I made from the leftover pieces from the same quilt that the covers came from. It's just a little folio, and in it are some things that you can decorate yourself. Got some Rolodex cards, a tag, a recipe index card, a small envelope, a little coin envelope, this little airmail envelope, a glassine envelope, and a glassine bag. So all of those you can decorate up yourself. And you can decorate it with, I'm not going to take these out, but it's a little pack of all different kinds of small embellishments, buttons and bows and flat back pearls, some little Tim Holtz clips, some flowers, some metal tags. There's two metal tags in there. There's a long skinny one and then this one. So you've got the small embellishments. There's a selection of laces you can use to embellish tags or pages, belly bands. All kinds of small doilies. These are all the same in all of the packs. All different small doilies. And a couple of appliques. There's another one there. You've got a piece from a fillet that would make a good belly band. A couple of appliques. Piece from a bumpy lace that you can use for a pocket. Another piece of lace. Another piece of lace. And then some fabrics. There's some blue ticking, some burlap, and my favorite floral pattern fabric, and then some of my favorite book pages to do collage with. There's some from the 1700s French books on the rag paper. There's a couple of, actually there's 3 dictionary pages. This one's very fragile. This is definitely for collage with that beautiful antique color to it. And then one is French English, one is German English dictionary. One of the German pages with a pretty Gothic font, and another page from the 1700s books that I have. So that is the embellishment pack that comes with the journal. Oops, that needs to go in there. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these journal kits, the instructions are down below, and as they sell out, I will mark them sold down below. The cover is random. They're all, pretty much looking the same, so it'll be a random one. And same thing with the little folio that comes with it. So that's all I have for today. Next weekend, there probably will not be a video. I have company coming in for the weekend, so I'm going to be taking another weekend off. And I will see you in 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.